What skills do I need to become a great project manager? 1, communicating, being able to delegate and build relationships with people. Sounds easy, but is it with 20, 50, or 100 people? Probably not. So key is to become a master of psychology and personalities, to read people and adapt to their style of communicating. So these books will be a great start for you. Influence, Way of the Wolf, and the 8 Dimensions of Leadership. 2, understanding fundamentals of managing a project. So documenting processes, all the phases like initiate, plan, execute, monitor, control, close, for which PMI body of knowledge would be a good foundation, but don't lean too much on it. Be flexible. 3, tools, very important for building and controlling. So Microsoft Project, Smart Sheets, and SharePoint. Use Udemy to learn the basics. And 4, ATS approved resume and ongoing practices of interviews in front of the mirror or with a friend will help you build confidence and give you that edge. Follow me for more on becoming a project manager and check out the link in my bio.